why they would stop at Greystone. It seems like kind of a random place because that's not a very big stop. I would think that they would have them just stop here.
Yeah.
Because it seems much bigger. I mean, what with all of the, train work.
But they should have stopped at Hastings. That would have made our life a whole lot easier.
It would have, but Hastings is a really small station. And we're not waiting long. We just got off the train about 3 minutes ago, and the next train comes really right around now.
You sure?
Pretty sure. Yeah, I don't understand the Greystone thing myself. Alright, I'm going to stop the video. Anything you want to say before I stop it?
Yeah. That's what I want to say.
There's our train. Nice. Looks like our train to me.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta go.